Hi everybody, today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a border around your masked videos. So you can create a border around the person that you have masked for your velocity or just regular edits on Funimate. Now this is a really highly requested tutorial and it's surprisingly extremely simple to do. So today I will run you through how to do that. So the first thing you want to do is start a new project. So just tap edit a video and select the video you want to use. So I'm using this video of Charlie, and you're just going to swipe this away considering we don't need the main clip. So the first thing we're going to do is hit tap, image, video, and select the one that we're using. And now the first thing we want to do is we want to crop it to the size that we want. So I'm just going to make it big enough so that the logo is not showing, just like this. And then the next thing I'm going to be doing is duplicating. And then I'm going to go to my top layer and I'm going to select the mask option. So you just swipe on the bottom and there should be a mask button. And then I'm going to be tapping the little person in the right hand corner. And now what this will do is it will mask my video for me, and it will either give me the option to mask out the background or mask the person out. Now today we're going to be masking away the background, so only the person is remaining, just like this. If you want to change it to the background, you can just tap this, but for this tutorial, we want to keep it on this selection. Now the next thing we're going to do is hit the arrow in the top right hand corner and hit done. And the next thing we want to do is duplicate this layer, just like that, and then go to animate plus, and then we want to go to color and lightness, and then put it all the way up to 100. Then we want to drag the layer beneath this one, and then with our fingers zoom out. And now we have a border around Charlie or the person you're editing. Now, we can change the color of this border and we can add multiple layers behind this border so we have multiple colors. I'll show you how to do that. So you just want to go to the color option and then you can easily change it just like that. And as you can see, we now have a border. The next thing we're going to be doing, if you want to add multiple colored layers, is just make this smaller, duplicate it again, go over to color, and then add another color. And as you can see, we're going to drag this behind the red. As you can see, we now have 2 different colors. And you can do this as much as you want. So I'm just going to do it one more time so you guys get it. Go down to this one. We're going to go to color. Okay, so this one's the purple one, sorry. So we're going to go to this one, drag it underneath, color. And actually we're going to do green. No, I think we'll do orange. It's lagging a bit. Okay. As you can see, we have multiple layers. Now that actually does look really cool, and I'm really impressed with that, honestly. So yeah, so you can enhance your edits by adding a border around your person easily using Funimate, and the video mask feature is honestly so useful, and you can make such creative edits using this feature as I have demonstrated here. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow. Let me know down below any suggestions you have for future tutorials that you wish that I make, and I'll have a look at all of them and I'll see what I can make for you guys. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day or night. Bye.